Understanding, in a silo, unpack the phrase with ease. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's used metaphorically in both everyday and professional language, in a silo. If you've stumbled upon this term and found yourself puzzled, worry not. We're going to unpack its meaning, explore its origins, and give you some practical examples to help you understand how to use it in conversation. Let's begin by looking at the word silo itself. Traditionally, a silo is a tall structure used for storing agricultural products like grain or corn. These silos are designed to keep their contents separated from other materials. This separation is crucial for preserving the quality of stored goods. Now, when we leap from the literal to the metaphorical, in a silo takes on a different meaning. In a business or organizational context, to do something in a silo means to do it in isolation from others, without interacting with other departments, teams, or sectors. It's often used to describe a situation where there is a lack of communication, collaboration, or exchange of information. To get a clearer picture, let's see some examples. 1. The marketing team has been working in a silo, and it's affecting their alignment with the sales department. 2. When departments work in silos, the company can't operate cohesively towards a common goal. 3. We need to break down these silos to ensure everyone is on the same page. These sentences show how the phrase can be a signal of inefficiency or a challenge that needs to be addressed. It's one thing to recognize siloed behavior, but how does one address it? Here are a few tips. Encourage open communication across different teams. Foster collaboration through regular interdepartmental meetings. Implement systems that make sharing information easier and more systematic. Understanding phrases like, in a silo, is not just about learning English. It's about grasping the cultural nuances of how English speakers describe problems in teamwork and management. Recognizing these phrases can give you a deeper insight into the workplace culture and dynamics in English-speaking environments. And that's a wrap on, in a silo. I hope this video has shed light on this common phrase and how it's used in various contexts. Remember, breaking out of silos is about promoting unity and collaboration, a lesson that's valuable in language and in life. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English with real-world phrases like this one.